guys, we're back with another video. A couple minutes ago I just unboxed this product right here. You can go check that video out. I will leave a link in the description below, and if you just want to see a quick image of the product, so here it is. Yep. So that will be in the description below if you guys want to see that. And this is the other arm I bought. It's by UGREEN. I bought a couple of things from UGREEN from the past, and yeah, and they always are well-made products, so I'm hoping this will be the same. Okay, so this is for your phone. Yeah, so there's some information for you down there. There's a name up there. This side has nothing written. This is what it has on the back. The other side is nothing, it's empty in the top and the bottom. Okay, so I guess we just pull it out like that. Okay, this looks a lot more professional. Okay, so there's a little screw over here. I'm not sure if we have to screw any parts in, but we might have to. Alright. Here's the thing that will hold your phone or tablet. I'm pretty sure this is wide enough to hold almost all tablets. I'd say up to 10 inches. I'll measure it out and see what it could do. So here's the clamp, I'm pretty sure. Probably. Alright. I will put the screw out. Comes with a couple papers. There's nothing else in the box, so we'll go through these papers, I guess. So thank you for choosing UGREEN. There's a little message right here. If you have any questions or need help and everything. Alright, put that away. There's a manual right here. Let me just open it up real quick so you can all read it if you want, but yeah. Hopefully that's a good enough. Oh, there's shadow getting onto the bottom left. Alright, so hopefully you guys could catch that. I'll put that away for now. So let's take out everything from the plastic bags they put it in. So this is the thing it will hold it in. This is the little node, or I don't know what you would call that, but it would connect to this part right here, I'm pretty sure. So okay, so we put that there. Then we have this, and we have to somehow attach this. So I'll see you guys back in a couple minutes and when this is all assembled. So yeah, see you. Alright guys, we are back and I have attached this. So very spacious over there. Very well made, honestly. The quality is very good. I'm not sure how this goes, but this is how I put it in. So it would clamp on like on this side, right? And so you can adjust the size with this. And I just put this thing through a little hole that was on top of here. And yeah, so I didn't really need this screw. I'm guessing that's for adjusting the little screws up here. But I don't really need that right now, or ever, probably. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions about this product, please leave them down below. I will do my best to answer all questions, and see you in the next video. Bye.